Let's do a 90 degrees again, and again keep the back of the drone towards you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You finally decided to buy a dji Mavic Mini. This is the first thing you should do when you fly the drone. And in my opinion, before you fly a $400 drone, and if this is your first time especially, you should just go to a place like Walmart and buy a drone for 30 bucks, like the DX2. $30. I did a couple reviews on this drone in the past 2 years, still available today with guards. You can have guards also on the Mavic, but it's heavier. This is very light. If you crash on the walls, you will not damage anything. Or you could also use a Parrot Mambo, or of course the Tello, the Rise Tello, but they're more expensive. So my recommendation would be to go first and experiment with a drone like the DX2. Now, if you want to go ahead without or with practice first, I'm going to show you the very first thing you should do when you fly your Mavic. So let's go to the basement over there, and actually that's the good thing about the Mavic Mini. It is small enough that you can practice in a big open space. If you have access to a gym, that would be ideal, but I would practice first inside where there is no wind. So let's go over there, and I'm going to show you what you should do first. Okay, so normally the first thing you do is you turn your phone on, and then you turn the controller on, and thirdly and last, you turn on the drone. So never turn on the drone first. So you need the controller to be on. Now, the first thing you should do is take off, and you could use the you could take off manually, or you could use the auto takeoff in the app over here. So I'm just going to do that now, and we'll take off right there. Okay, so lesson number one. First thing you should do really is try to control your altitude with the left stick. So go down a little bit, go up. Try not to go closer than 2 feet to the ceiling, because then you'll have like a vacuum effect and the drone will tend to go up by itself. So go down again. So let's stabilize about here. We are in the midfield of the camera. So I'm going to move a little bit to the left, like so. So the first thing you should practice is do a square clockwise. Then we'll do a square counterclockwise. Just go forward like that. Go right, backwards, and then left again. So you complete a square. So you do that a few times. I know it looks simple, but it isn't, especially the first time you fly a drone. And again, I did not put my my guards, my prop guards, because I prefer my drone to be lighter. I have more control this way. So now we will do the same thing, but we will do counterclockwise. So forward, left, back, right, and then forward. Do that again. So we do little squares. So that's really the first thing you should do. And again, let's vary the altitude. And up and down. So this is part of the first lesson. Now, at this point, if you do feel comfortable about what you just did, my second lesson would be go 90 degrees to the right, and then go forward, and then go back. Only do that. I'm going to move a bit away from the camera. Forward and back. Now the drone is sideways to you, so this is still manageable. Do not face the drone towards you. Now let's stop here. Let's do a 180 degrees to have the drone facing left, and again do a straight line. Forward, backwards. I'm going to move away from the camera like so. So forward, backwards, forward. You can go down a bit here and then go up, down. Let's do a 90 degrees again, and again keep the back of the drone towards you. So this is the only thing I would do at this point, especially if this is the first time you fly a drone. So let's land. So this is what I recommend that you do first, and indoor if you can. And I'll post the second video as a second step, what you should do after you master what we saw this morning. But again, I insist. And remember to keep the back of the drone always towards you, because as soon as you do a 180 degree, if you're not used to flying drones, you'll get in trouble. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.